Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request issue on Instagram. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Instagram account but you are facing this problem and you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of the app on your device. So guys, for that open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and update your Instagram to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is open settings, and then you have to go to general and then scroll below, tap on VPN and device management, and from here connect your device with a VPN. So I simply connect your device with a VPN and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Instagram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.